You are on the way to such a juicy orgasm. Are you ready? So if you're not already, I suggest that you're lying down on your bed, the door is shut, and you've dimmed the lights. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb, and let's go into a full moment of pleasure. Taking a long deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. And again, long deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Next one, a little bit longer. So inhale, hold at the top, and exhale. So keep that breath coming in your nose and out of your mouth. We're going to scan the body to soften the mind, to exhale out the day, and to focus on your presence that allows more pleasure. So from the top of your forehead, how can you soften your forehead? Soften behind your eyes and relax your jaw. Soften your throat and exhale your shoulders. Relax your chest. Can you feel your heart moving? And breathe through your stomach. Can you soften your hips into the bed beneath you? And relax your legs. Let your feet soften in whatever direction they need, and allow your full body to relax into the surface beneath you. Keep on focusing on your breath and feeling your body become heavier as you sink into your bed. We often try and rush to orgasm, trying to get off, to push over the edge. But sometimes your body isn't even ready for that. Whether that's by yourself or with a partner, your body needs time to connect with itself, to feel itself, and that's exactly what we're doing now. So placing your hands on your lower stomach and letting your elbows drop to the bed. Can you notice with your breath how your stomach rises and how your stomach drops? Can you breathe deeper so your hands elevate more? And can you focus on that exhale and that drop? It's really important that you notice your breath here. Sometimes when we're trying to orgasm, when we're trying to reach that peak, we could be holding the breath. And if you're holding the breath, the orgasm doesn't have a space to come out. You need to be continuing this breath like you're doing now to allow you to reach that peak. Now you have awareness of your breath that's coming in and out of your stomach. Can you bring this awareness of your breath into your pussy space? So in your mind's eye, envisioning that you are taking this breath that you're feeling in your stomach down past your pubic bone towards your vagina area. And now can you breathe from this area? So you may breathe in and squeeze just like you're stopping, going to the toilet, and then you exhale and you release. Like that breath in is a gentle clench, and exhale, you unclench. And keep this going here for a few more breaths. At the end of the day, this is where the orgasm lies. This is where your body feels pleasure, not your mind. So if at any time your mind is popping its way in, just let it know, okay, I see you, I hear you, but I'm here to have pleasure in this moment. And as you're breathing into your sexual area, I want you to envision this pink, fluorescent, juicy light that's around your hips, your front door, your back door. And how pink is this light? Is it a strong one, or is it a gentle pink? And the best thing is, you get to choose. With this pink light that you have around your body, can you now imagine this pink light growing all the way up through your body as you breathe on in? Breathing in through the nose, and this pink light is coming through your stomach, through your ribs, through your chest, up the throat, and you exhale out. Now let's go again. Breathing in from your vagina, through your stomach, past your ribs, inhaling to your chest, up to the throat, and exhale out. And again, there's no rush here. I just want you to start noticing how the breath passes through your body. This is going to help you reaching that peak of the orgasm because you aren't clenching your body. You are letting your sexual energy flow. Let's go again. So keeping this rhythm, this pink light that's around your sexual area, this is your own energy. You can breathe this in up through your body, and as you exhale out, your body sinks deeper into relaxation. Keeping this flow going. Now, let's go a little bit faster. Breathing in, all the way up through the body. This pink light is supporting you, your pleasure, and exhaling through. And even deeper now with your breath. Breathing that in, squeezing all the air up through your body and release. You're doing so well. This is leading you to bigger orgasms and to feeling more pleasure. Keep on breathing, keep on breathing. If at any time you're feeling numbness or disconnection or maybe tingling in your body, it's okay. Don't judge yourself. Don't think that you're broken. Your body is just doing what it needs to do. the more you come back to this exercise, you will start feeling more pleasure and more connection to your sexual energy the more you do it. Right here, we are building a new skill. A new skill takes time to explore, to get curious with, and to play with. Let's breathe here for another 30 seconds. So I want you to really deep inhale all the way up through the body. Your light, your sexual energy is raising up through your system and exhaling out. This energy that you've got here is for nobody else but you. This is for your own pleasure. Keep on breathing deeply in and continuing that circular breath through your body. I wonder what you're feeling right now. Any aliveness? Any curiosity? Any thinking, oh my God, this is so weird? Remember, you can always drop that in the comments. I read them. But for now, let's keep on breathing. Another 10 seconds here, all the way in and deeply out. And as you breathe out now, I want you to let out a little bit of a sigh on the exhale. Keep breathing in and out, in and out. As you continue your breath, I want you to bring your hands down to your inner thighs and bring some gentle touch and massage to the insides of your legs. Allow the arousal to start building. Oh, this is my body. Oh, can I touch myself like this? I'm allowed to touch myself. No one is watching, no one is looking. This is just for me. Let your breath continue as we continue the touch, bringing some firm touch to the inside of your legs using your fingers and the palm of your hand. Yes, you're allowed to touch yourself. You don't need to rush. You're here activating different levels of pleasure. So soon you are ready to be going over the edge into more pleasure. And gently now, if you're feeling comfortable, bringing this touch to your vulva area. You can use your fingers or your palms of your hands, and you're allowed to explore and caress your body in a way that feels comfortable to you. You don't need to rush yourself. You don't need to pressure yourself. If that's enough for today, that's completely fine. But this is the moment, if you keep on focusing on your breath, allowing the touch on your vulva, bringing the exploration to your clitoris, and now is the moment to enjoy yourself, to pleasure yourself, and to enjoy what your body deserves. If you would like part 2 or more specific guided pleasure meditations, you can find some inside of Patreon, where we have orgasm on tap. That's it from me today. Now I suggest continue to have that music on, touching your vulva, exploring your body, using your breath, and letting yourself go over the edge with that own touch. Because it's exactly what your body is asking for. Enjoy!